Groundbreaking innovations are coming to life in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where visionary developers at KRONOTERM are not only warming up people's homes and hearts with cutting-edge and innovative heat pumps, but also meeting larger energy demands with solutions for district heating and other large-scale facilities. KRONOTERM, the manufacturer of the most efficient heat pumps in Europe, has been making heating smarter, more sustainable and affordable for over 35 years. With over 110,000 heat pumps installed across Europe, powering homes, industries, and even managing waste heat, they have become one of Europe's leading heat pump manufacturers.
Since the very beginning, our company has been a leader in the development and production of heat pumps in Central and Southeastern Europe. Tested in our state-of-the-art laboratory, our heat pumps are considered one of the most efficient on the market. That is undoubtedly a privilege, however, it requires a lot of work. It is our greatest pride to be able to offer the first eco-friendly heat pumps in Europe with almost noiseless operation. By intelligently adapting to the needs of the building, the weather and our customers, we can achieve as much as 30% higher efficiency.
As the provider of heating solutions for the most demanding investors from foreign markets and winner of the most prestigious quality certificates, KRONOTERM is setting new standards within the industry. Their innovations, like the virtually silent Adapt heat pump, are not just saving energy, but also shaping the future. Every pump is engineered to reduce operating costs, conserve resources, and minimize environmental footprints, creating a smarter, greener tomorrow. By being green, creative, and smart, KRONOTERM is an example of the refreshing Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Expand your vision in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.